No?
एक प्लीज एक वीडियो की कीमत तुम क्या जानोगे इसकी बाबू?
Gana, nahi malum.
इसकी एक वीडियो प्लीज।
No, not possible.
Okay, you're wondering what is happening. He is okay, let me introduce first who he is. Mishkil, come and sit here, sit boy. Meet my cool, sweet, cute, pushy German Shepherd, the whiskey. And why he is sitting here beside me is because I kidnapped his ball. You know what? This ball is so his favorite that I can hypnotize him with this. You want to see? I can do that all day long with him because he's so cute. Well, yeah, this is the one, and I have 3 more dogs. And that is why I was going through lots of videos, and then I found out that some dogs, they react to sound, and he's tired now. So I decided that I will play some sounds on speaker and see what this guys react. And the sleeping one is Jenny, because they have hogged so much now. They're tired and they're relaxing. So I'm going to play the sounds all of a sudden, and I'll see what they react. Let's see and enjoy it. Hello, Disco. Say bye. Disco. Well, that was really unexpected, right? The one thing that I noticed in this video is I saw them reacting to the sounds of animals the most, rather than they reacted less on the sounds that were created by human beings. So I think that is what is called as animal to animal connection. This is how they understand each other's feeling. That is maybe a God gift that God has given to them. So, I have a question for all of you. Name the dog who reacted the most or tilted his head the most in this video in the comment section below, and I will reply to all your comments. And also, go try it out with your pets, all your pets, dogs, cats, birds, anyone, not the fishes because they don't listen. Okay, so go try it out and let me know on my Instagram, on my Facebook, on my WhatsApp or anything, and I'll post it on my Janda Gani. Okay, by the time, keep watching Mishkil's Diary and take care.